Tired of retyping common phrases or losing valuable information you've previously copied? Your Samsung phone has a hidden clipboard feature that can revolutionize your mobile productivity. First, to access your clipboard, you'll need to bring up your keyboard. Simply tap on any text field anywhere on your phone where you can type, like in a messaging app or a search bar. Now, look closely at your keyboard. You should see either a small clipboard icon or what looks like a gear or 3 dots, usually located in the top bar of the keyboard. This is your gateway to the clipboard. Tap on that icon. If you see a clipboard icon, it will likely expand to reveal your recently copied items. If you tapped on a settings or 3 dots icon, look for an option labeled clipboard or clipboard history. Voila! You've found it. This view will show you a list of all the text snippets you've copied recently. You can see everything from a quick address to a long paragraph. Now, to use this amazing feature, simply tap on the item you want to paste. It will immediately be copied to your main clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Just perform a long press in any text field, and you'll see the paste option appear. Tap it, and your selected text will be inserted in seconds. Why no more manual retyping? For those of you who might not see an immediate clipboard icon, don't worry, you can often enable it through your Samsung keyboard settings. Go to your phone's main settings app, then look for General Management, followed by Samsung Keyboard Settings. Within the keyboard settings, find an option that says Clipboard or Show Clipboard button and toggle it on. This will add that handy clipboard button directly to your keyboard for quick access. By mastering your Samsung phone's clipboard, you're not just saving time, you're significantly boosting your efficiency. So start copying, start pasting, and start saving precious seconds every day with this powerful built-in feature.